Good evening to everybody across the coastal bend. Hey, today was a hot day, wasn't it? Here's a look at Doppler 10 storm tracker radar. What we see is mainly ground clutter, no precipitation whatsoever. Temperatures right now, generally in the 80s, 81 degrees in Corpus Christi, 84 degrees along the water, 79 in Beeville, Alice at 81, and currently in South Furious, it is 83, but this doesn't really matter. What matters is what it feels like outside. I'm telling you, it feels pretty warm. 90 degrees in Corpus Christi, 95 degrees in Rockport, 96 degrees on the island, and it feels like 95 degrees in Kingsville. Think about this one. Around 5 to 6 o'clock, Kingsville, your heat index was 111 degrees. You have not cooled off that much at all. It's still very, very hot outside. The winds out of the southeast at 10 miles an hour, 16 miles an hour on the island, 10 miles an hour in Alice. And yes, the winds will be with us again for tomorrow. We have this little system just lingering across the state of Texas. It's not really doing too much because of this large ridge of high pressure. We had a few isolated thunderstorms fired around Pecos, but that's about it. Here across the coastal bend, yeah, we'll see those low clouds reform tomorrow morning, but yet again, they'll burn off very quick. Here's this large ridge of high pressure, which is sinking air, which is one of the reasons why we don't see that many clouds during the afternoon. A vigorous storm system passing through the northern portions of the United States, but it's not going to do anything to us. Actually, it's going to enhance this ridge a little bit as an area of low pressure starts to develop off the Pacific Ocean. But yet again, I don't see any relief in sight. I think we're going to be in this weather pattern for a fairly long time. That means it's going to be hot and humid. Tomorrow morning, hey, not bad. Of course, we'll see generally clear skies, temperatures in the upper 70s. It will be on the warm and humid side. And again for tomorrow, high temperatures in the lower 90s. And with that being said, the heat indices will be between 100 and 115 degrees. And then for Thursday, well, it's going to be another hot day, that's for sure. Starting in the morning, it's going to be in the upper 70s, and by Thursday afternoon, it's going to be another hot one again, folks. This weather pattern is not changing whatsoever. 78 degrees tomorrow morning, 83 degrees in Rockport and on the island. The heat indices by that time in the morning hours still around 90 degrees, and in Kingsville, 79, going up to almost 100 degrees for the air temperature. 93 degrees in Corpus Christi and George West. Hey, hello everybody in George West. 94 degrees for tomorrow afternoon. Here's a look at your Doppler 10 long-range forecast. As you can see, no chance of precipitation whatsoever over the next 7 days, and the weekend will be dry and humid.
Well, on the